Welcome to Hogscroft Hedgehog Rescue. We've got 2 cabins, a critical care unit, and we've also got the rehabilitation cabin. Hogscroft Hedgehog Rescue came about around 3 years ago. It came about because I'd retired from work, and one day I saw a little hedgehog and I thought, you shouldn't be there. Took him to a rescue, which was 45 miles away, and the person said, well, if it recovers, then it'll come back to your garden. So I went on a mission to find out more about hedgehogs, and that really started it all. It kind of just grew. So we now have a license for up to 55 hedgehogs. I would reckon by now we've rescued about 600 hedgehogs. We've had hedgehogs in here actually who've had their jaws missing, a lot of hedgehogs with strimming injuries. We have one that we've been still treating since October, and she had really the top of her head was a great big open wound. She's required 2 surgeries. We're still going with her, and we're hoping that eventually she'll get back into the wild. I think at the moment I've got round about 25 volunteers, and they come at least once a week. They're wonderful people, they're lovely people, they just give up their time freely. Keep an eye out if you see a hedgehog in the day. You shouldn't see hedgehogs in the daytime. If you do, generally they're sick, very sick. So if you do see one, pop it in a box and phone a rescue. And at the moment they really are struggling. This time of year there's still not a lot of natural food around. Things that people can do is put out a plain simple bowl of water. Keep the bowl clean because it can get infected, and put it out every night.